A family visit to the zoo.
Listen and practice.
It was a sunny day. Lily and her family decided to go to the zoo. They were very excited. First, they saw the monkeys. The monkeys were jumping and playing. They were very funny. Lily's little brother, Jack, laughed and said, "They are like me." Next, they went to see the lions. The lions were big and strong. They roared loudly. Lily's mom said, "They are the kings of the jungle." After that, they saw the elephants. The elephants had long trunks. They were eating grass. Lily's dad told her, "Elephants are very smart." Lily saw some birds too. There were colorful parrots and tall flamingos. The birds were singing. It was a beautiful sound. At lunchtime, they ate sandwiches and drank juice. They sat on a bench. Jack saw a squirrel. He tried to give it some bread. The squirrel was quick and took the bread from his hand. In the afternoon, they saw the sea animals. There were big sharks and pretty fish. Lily liked the dolphins best. They jumped high in the air. Everyone clapped. Before they left, they bought ice cream. Lily had vanilla and Jack had chocolate. They were very happy. On the way home, Lily and Jack talked about the animals they saw. They wanted to come back again soon. It was a fun day at the zoo. Question 1. What did the monkeys do at the zoo? A. They sang songs. B. They were eating grass. C. They jumped and played. D. They roared loudly. C. They jumped and played. Question 2. What did Jack try to give to the squirrel? A. Juice. B. Ice cream. C. Bread. D. Sandwich. C. Bread. Question 3. What animal did Lily like the best at the zoo? A. Monkeys. B. Lions. C. Elephants. D. Dolphins. D. Dolphins. Question 4. What flavor of ice cream did Jack have? A. Strawberry. B. Vanilla. C. Chocolate. D. Mint. C. Chocolate. English words. Excited. An excited crowd awaited the star's arrival. Excited. An excited crowd awaited the star's arrival. Roar. The lion roared and paced back and forth. Roar. The lion roared and paced back and forth. Trunk. An elephant's trunk is essential for communication. Trunk. An elephant's trunk is essential for communication.